What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another What the Truck. This time's a little bit different. There's no owner here. I'm the one that's going to explain to you this because it's the Fat Fender Garage shop truck. So these guys were super nice. I came out to Dino's Get down here in Phoenix, Arizona. Jason was like, hey, here's the keys, take the shop truck. So this is a 1971 Ford F100 short bed, and it's a pretty awesome truck. So they started out with doing a Coyote Swap on it, and I'll pop the hood in a minute. Then they cleared over the entire original paint, I believe. So the truck, this is the original color. Then they did a light sanding and clear coated, and everything on the truck is really nice. All the trim, everything's beautiful. The truck's for sale. But here is the Coyote Swap. As you guys can see, it's a really clean job. Not a whole lot of wires and not a whole lot of mess. I really like the way that they did it. The power steering is really nice. Don't know what system they went with, but this truck stays really, really cool. It steers good. It's got drop beams on it. DJM drop beams up front. And I think he said they have a different spring pack in the rear. And it's got US mags, I believe 20 by 10s all around. Don't know the size of the tire. And it's a Ranger model, so it has the trim, the upgraded tail panel, and I'm going to show you guys the inside. They put Dakota Digital VHX Gauges, as you can see right there. So they're real nice. It's also got vintage air conditioning, as you can see. Really nice, clean install. And aside from that, they redid the bench seat, which looks really nice and clean. Nothing too over the top or overdone. It's got custom door panels, as you can see. So overall, just a really clean, nice truck. The truck is for sale, so if anybody wants it, email this email address below. I'm going to figure out which one it is. But the truck's here, Phoenix, Arizona. Actually, it's in Gilbert, which is right outside of Phoenix. But hit up the guys at Fat Fender Garage and let them know that I sent you. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.